Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are asked to solve the equation 8 multiplied by e to the power of x plus 15 multiplied by e to the power of negative x equal to 26. So we have that 8 multiplied by e to the power of x plus 15 multiplied by e to the power of negative x equal to 26. So this equation here can be written as 8 multiplied by e to the power of x plus 15 divided by e to the power of x equal to 26. Now, to eliminate this fraction here, we multiply the equation by e to the power of x. So therefore, we have it that e to the power of x multiplied by 8e to the power of x plus e to the power of x multiplied by 15 divided by e to the power of x equal to 26 multiplied by e to the power of x. So at this point, this can cancel out. So at this point, we have this to become 8 multiplied by e to the power of x squared plus 15 equal to 26 multiplied by e to the power of x. Now at this point, we can express this equation in this form. We have that this becomes 8 multiplied by e to the power of x all squared. If we move 26 multiplied by e to the power of x, it becomes negative 26 e to the power of x plus 15, which is equal to 0. So at this point, we can make some simple substitution. We can have that let p be equal to e to the power of x. Thus, the equation now becomes 8p squared minus 26p plus 15 is equal to 0. So at this point, we have a quadratic equation in terms of p. So to obtain the zeros of p, or the values of p, we have to look at for two factors that their sum is equal to negative 26 and their product is equal to positive 120. The two integers are minus 20 and minus 6. Thus, the equation can now be expressed as 8p squared minus 20p minus 6p plus 15 equal to 0. So at this point, if we factorize, we have that 4p open bracket 2p minus 5 minus 3 open bracket 2p minus 5 all equal to 0. So we have it now that the equation now becomes 4p minus 3 all multiplied by 2p minus 5 equal to 0. So recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So therefore we have 4p minus 3 is equal to 0, or we have that 2p minus 5 is equal to 0. So 4p is equal to 3, therefore p will be equal to 3 divided by 4. And also we have it as 2p is equal to 5, so p is equal to 5 divided by 2. But recall that we said let p be equal to e to the power of x. So p is equal to e to the power of x. So for p equal to 3 divided by 4, we have that 3 divided by 4 is equal to e to the power of x. And also for p equal to 5 divided by 2, we have it that 5 divided by 2 is equal to e to the power of x. So at this point, to obtain the value of x, we take the natural log of both sides. So we have that this becomes ln e to the power of x equal to ln 3 divided by 4. Also at this point, we have ln e to the power of x equal to ln 5 divided by 2. So at this point, this becomes x multiplied by ln e equal to ln 3 divided by 4. And at this point, since ln and e are inverse operation, it becomes that x is equal to ln 3 divided by 4. And also at this point, we have that x multiplied by ln e is equal to ln 5 divided by 2. Also, since ln and e are inverse operation, we have that x is equal to ln 5 divided by 2. So at this point, the value of x is equal to minus 0.2876. And at this point, x is equal to 0.91629. Thank you so much for watching. We have been able to obtain the value of x. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video. And also, for more exam questions like this, subscribe to our channel. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.